Good morning and welcome back to our channel along the Red River. This morning we are off to take our Rhino to get some much needed repairs. We're going to a place, it's called Cave Run Motors. It's near Moorhead, Kentucky. The Rhino needs some little TLC and we're going to do that today. We thought we would take you guys with us. We're going to be close to a really beautiful lake called Cave Run. If we have time, we're going to drive by there and just look at it. We haven't been there in forever. And we're also going to stop at a local place and get barbecue. And we just wanted to bring you guys with us, and we're going to enjoy this morning and just see what happens. Thank you. We've made a pit stop at the John Deere dealership in Mount Sterling, picking up parts for the John Deere. Hopefully we'll get it running this week. And our farm truck has no air, so it's kind of doing it old school here today. No air. Yay. I'm just kidding. It's actually not horrible. I grew up this way. I'm sure many of you all did too. Alright, here he comes. Oh, no. He's over here looking at, I don't think you all can see it. I'm going to show him what you're looking at. Yeah, look at that right there. No. No. You need to get back in the vehicle. That's why I didn't get out. I know better.
Credit card with me.
All right, let me get this thing back on here. Oh, we're headed out. We do not need to look at any new off-road vehicles. It's going to be really hard when we get to the dealership in Moorhead. It's going to be really, really difficult because can you imagine what they have there? Well, here we go. We made it. Dropping our little old Rhino off. This is like taking, opening the chicken coop door and putting the fox in the coop. Here we are at a Yamaha dealership. Good grief. I do not need to be here. Look at that. Look at that right there. That would look really good driving that on the farm. Oh, and they have Sea-Doos also. Oh boy. We used to have one of those. Those are pretty cool. Yep. Definitely don't need to be here. Look at this. They're so pretty. Noel went inside to talk to them. These people headed to the lake. So when we first came up here, the BP was up here, and then they built this Comfort Inn Suites. And I believe there's lots of, there's probably cabins up here you can rent. There are two campgrounds. One is Twin Knobs, and that's where we camped most of the time. It's closer to the Sharkey Farmers exit. And then there's another one called Zilpo. It's on the other side of the lake. It's kind of, it's a little more remote. It's pretty over there. And it's a nice campground too. So I'm sure they'll build all this up soon. As you notice, I'm not walking into the showroom. I'm trying to have self-control. Now, we bought this one used a few years ago. We got a pretty good deal on it. They're still expensive.
So at this point, we have dropped off the Rhino at Cave Run Motorsports to get it repaired, hopefully get it back in a few days, and we are taking a drive over to Cave Run Lake. Enjoy.
I know, I'm holding it. Oh boy, we have gotten fancy up here at Cave Run. They have a roundabout. That definitely wasn't here when we were coming. This is where we're going to get barbecue from. Tops. We're going to go up to the lake first. It kind of looks like they're open, doesn't it?
No.
It doesn't?
Not quite. We're getting ready to be up.
Yeah, it's almost lunchtime. So this is a little walkway to the visitor center. My husband and I were talking. We don't do stuff like this enough. Just enjoying simple little outings. Oh, the Turtle Walk. What's that? Oh, it's the Sheltwee Trace Association Walk with Nature. Look at this. This is pretty. I like that. And a lizard. I missed him. Through the trees you can see the dam. We're going to drive over that in a few minutes. And the beautiful lake. Doesn't it make you want to boat again?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
We could be cruising on the lake right now, Noel.
Nope.
Oh.
That's probably summer pool too.
That's right. Look at that. Well, I'm going to show you, that's of course the lake side, and I'm going to show you over here. This is the runoff area. When right now it's really looking calm down there. But we have been here before when they have had that thing opened up full force. And it is crazy. So you can go down there. A lot of people go down there and fish, picnics. There is a playground. And then the hatchery is in the distance. It is so beautiful up here. We are going down to that little boat dock right there and just get a closer look at the lake. Oh, a little spot of shade. Yay! I wonder if the water's cold. Cave Run is notorious for being, ooh, I don't even know what that is right there. Cave Run is notorious for being cold. Of course, right here on the shore, it's going to be a little bit warmer. So Cave Run was made when they flooded the valley. So you'll be swimming along and then all of a sudden you'll hit an ice cold spot. And it's kind of freaky. Welcome back. We're inside Pop's Barbecue at Cave Run. So I actually got permission before I came in here to film stuff. I just cracking me up with the decor. And look at all the iron skillets. It's kind of loud in here, so ooh, look at these. So they have indoor seating. They also have outdoor seating. We don't know what we're doing.
Maybe you're fine. So do you know what you're wanting to get on that? I mean, this is what we all paid for, brisket turkey. You get a full slab of ribs, and then our sides.
So I wanted to show you guys the menu. This is Pop's Barbecue in Moorhead, Kentucky, which Cave Run. And this is what they have.
Yeah, I mean, I was trying not to be as smart as that, but like,
All this yummy stuff.
they slice it, so it is sliced.
I've actually eaten here before.
A pound of brisket, let's do
A
it.
pound of our pork, yes,
And
about
the
3 to 4 sandwiches.
smoked turkey is my favorite.
So you could probably, well, you could give us this sandwiches out of the pound.
Let's do a pound of brisket, slab, and 2 pounds.
I want smoked turkey.
Huh?
Smoked turkey.
You want a pound of turkey?
Pound of turkey. Put a pound of turkey. Yeah, we're feeding several of us.
No, you're fine. So that's a pound of ribs, a pound of brisket, 2 pound of pork, 1 pound of
Yep.
turkey.
Yep.
And you want that to go?
Yes, ma'am. All the sauce you got.
Now, I was here, put my leg on there.
Got big musky.
Now, we have like a golden sauce that goes with turkey.
Musky's the big thing up here. I'm saying that's probably beer cheese. They also have ice cream. This is their outdoor seating. We're getting our stuff to go. This says motorcycle parking only. Ooh, there's a big, I like to sit here and watch the boats go by. So if you guys are up this way, check out Pop's Southern Style Barbecue. When we get our food, I will let you guys see what that looks like. Like I said, very eclectic decor.
So we just ordered some carry out. We got a slab of ribs, a pound of brisket, 2 pounds of pork, and a pound of turkey. and all this was to go. And they're giving us a bunch of different sauces with it. I think they have 3 different types. They have a hot, a sweet, and then like a regular barbecue. It was only $75 for all that, so I think the price is very good. They were super friendly, and we were able to modify anything and everything that we needed for our particular taste. So thumbs up for that.
Now we're waiting on the food.
The hardest part.
Is waiting. Isn't there a song
I'm sure
from the
there is.
80s?
I'm sure there is.
There's probably some song from the 80s. We got our food, and it looks scrumptious. Okay, you're gonna open that for me. This is what I like. I like the smoked turkey. And then we've got, is that pork?
That's ribs.
Ribs.
That's the ribs. There's the pork. All this for $75.
Yes. And then all of our
And 2 big
sauces.
bags full of sauces.
We don't want to also mention that someone did get a milkshake. And you said it was very good.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter milkshake. All right. Super friendly folks up here. If you're in this area, stop by and check it out.
Hot Southern style barbecue.
That's
Stop
great.
by and see.
All right. Thanks again. We appreciate you watching. We feel, again, very honored and blessed that you guys are tuning into our channel. There they go. There's been a lot of people coming to the lake. We figured out that we were actually too early for the crowd. So thanks again for watching Along the Red River. Please like and subscribe. We're going to add some more videos, and they're going to be tagged as out and about. Little road trips around our beautiful state. Have a great day. Thank you.